So, I know we said we were supposed to go to the in-laws tonight for the steak stuff and yummy meat steak.
Steakos?
Steak.
Oh.
But, when we filmed yesterday, it was all nice and it was cold, but it was sunny and nice and it looked like spring was on its way. It looked the same way when we went to bed, didn't it? But then we woke up to this.
It's snowing sideways.
We already have like 3 inches. We already have like 3 inches.
And it's supposed to keep snowing.
It started at like noon. And it's supposed to continue all the way through to tomorrow. Which means winter's back.
We're supposed to get winds up to 40 miles per hour tonight.
Good God. And also rain, wind, and thunderstorms, and more snow. What the hell? Was Mother Nature just like, have it all? Except warmth. So our house has turned back into an igloo cooler. Yeah, that's a good representation of our house. You can keep turning the heat up, but it just doesn't do anything other than make us dry. It's like if we turn our heat up, we're dehydrating. Sooner or later, we'll just turn into jerky. So, I wouldn't expect any more videos out of me for tonight. This probably is just going to be it for tonight. Katie's been playing on her computer all day. Playing some game. Where she's a vampire.
Yeah.
I've been playing the game I rented. Thought we would have dinner. We didn't have anything planned for dinner because we were going to go over to the in-laws' house, but also we didn't have anything planned for dinner. Well, we had plans for dinner tomorrow night, but we needed to ask the in-laws if they had some ingredients. Since we couldn't go over there, we couldn't ask. So now we have to figure out 2 nights of dinner, which we didn't have previously planned. Fun. Anyways, that's probably going to be the video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. So, it's 12 o'clock at night, and we're about to go to bed. And it's been snowing all day. Just about 12 hours now. And I showed you snow before. Let me show you the snow now. I mean, there was no snow on that brick or on our porch last night. No snow on our flamingo or our flower pot. And this is what has happened. Look at that. It's ridiculous. And Katie has to be at work at 10 o'clock in the morning. I don't know what's going to happen.